Hey, what's going on, guys? So in this video I have 6 straightforward ways to lose fat and get one step closer to getting ripped. Link in the description below for the article. So let's rule your fitness. So the first way is to limit your sugar intake. And I'm not talking about eating less fruit, that's a good type of sugar. I'm talking about eating less fast food, less refined food, no honey buns, no ice cream. Don't do foods that bring no nutritional value to you and just make you feel good, because what happens is your body's really smart. When you take that excess sugar, your body turns that into fat to be used as energy for later use. So excess sugar means more fat, so don't do it. Number 2 is to eat more protein. Studies have shown that protein can reduce cravings by 60%, and it can also boost metabolism. And it's also been shown that people that are in a weight loss journey or losing weight usually get 25 to 30% of their calories from protein when losing weight. And just make sure when you're doing this, make sure you're getting it from quality sources, such as your lean meats, your plant protein, and not the fat burger from your local fast food spot. The third way is to do a low carb diet, which is gonna put your body in a state of ketosis, where you're using fat as a primary source of energy instead of glucose. And glucose comes from carbs. Now, when your body is in a state of ketosis, what you're basically doing is you're depriving yourself of carbohydrates, which means that your body is being deprived of glucose from food sources. Now, the thing is, when it comes to your body, especially when it comes to your brain overwhelmingly prefers to use glucose as its primary source of energy. Now, when you're doing ketosis, you're forcing it to use, ketone bodies as energy, but it overwhelmingly prefers to use glucose to the point where when you're in a high state of ketosis, your brain will still use glucose. Your body will still make glucose through the process called gluconeogenesis. In a high state of ketosis, your brain will still use 30% glucose as energy. And also, your red blood cells only use glucose as energy, so your body will make, more glucose by other means through, again, gluconeogenesis, so your red blood cells can get the energy that it needs as well. That is why it's really important that when you do any kind of ketogenic diet, talk to a doctor first. Number 4 is to have more fiber in your diet. That's gonna slow down absorption and digestion, which is gonna make you feel fuller for longer, which means less food potentially, which means potentially less calories, which means more potential for fat loss and more rib. Number 5 is to exercise through cardio, walking, biking, running, rowing, whatever you prefer. Also, weight train to build more muscle, because when you have more muscle, you increase your resting metabolic rate, which means you're using more calories when you're doing nothing when you have more muscle. And more calories burning means more potential for fat loss. Number 6 is to track what you eat. Make sure you're getting good quality foods into your body. Make sure you're getting the right amount of carbs, proteins, and fats from good quality sources. And also eat until you're satiated, eat until you're satisfied, and not until you're full. And if you're getting value out of this video, please subscribe, turn on that bell, leave a comment down below, because here on this channel, we try to empower people at home and nutrition and at the gym with the goal of building muscle. So if you like that, again, subscribe. And always remember to make mirrors your canvas, waste your paintbrush, sweat your paint, and may your drawing always be beautifully unfinished.